Okay, real talk. You're not tired because you didn't sleep enough. You're tired because your brain is running on survival mode 24/7. And honestly, it's draining the life out of you. Let me show you what's actually going on. Look, everyone's going to tell you to get more sleep, drink more water, take some vitamins. But here's the thing nobody's saying. Your exhaustion isn't physical, it's psychological. And I know that sounds like some Instagram caption nonsense, but neuroscience backs this up. There are 3 psychological patterns that keep your nervous system in overdrive, and once you understand them, everything clicks. So let's break it down. All right, pattern number 1. Your brain literally cannot tell the difference between real danger and made-up danger. So when you're sitting there stressing about an email you need to send, or a conversation you're avoiding, or that deadline that's coming up, your amygdala, which is like your brain's alarm system, goes off. Same response as if a bear was chasing you. I'm not kidding. Here's where it gets messy. Our ancestors dealt with threats fast. See danger, run away, done. But you're walking around with like 30 unresolved threats in your head at any given moment. Your inbox, your to-do list, that awkward social situation, money stress. Every single one of those keeps your nervous system in low-grade panic mode, just pumping out cortisol and adrenaline for hours. And that's not rest. That's your body thinking it's in a war zone. No wonder you're exhausted. Pattern number 2. You're making something like 35,000 decisions every single day. And every decision, it drains your mental battery. Should I text back now or later? What should I eat for lunch? Do I really need to work out today? Should I actually do this task or put it off? What if people think I'm weird? Your prefrontal cortex, that's the part of your brain that makes decisions, it runs on glucose. And just like any muscle, it gets tired. So by like 2 p.m., your willpower is completely gone. Your motivation's shot. You feel like you ran a marathon even though you've literally been sitting down all day. But here's the kicker. Most of those 35,000 decisions aren't even real decisions. They're just anxiety loops disguised as thinking. You're not being productive. You're ruminating. And rumination, that's one of the most exhausting things your brain can do. And here's pattern number 3. And honestly, this is the big one. You're burning insane amounts of energy suppressing your emotions instead of actually dealing with them. Think about your day. How many times did you feel frustrated, anxious, or straight up angry, but you just pushed it down because you had to stay professional or be positive or whatever? Here's what they don't tell you. Emotional suppression costs energy, like real cognitive energy. Your prefrontal cortex has to actively work to keep those feelings locked away. It's like trying to hold a beach ball underwater. The ball's not heavy, but keeping it down there. Exhausting. And those emotions you're suppressing, they don't just disappear. They build up in your body as tension in your shoulders, brain fog, and chronic fatigue. Your exhaustion isn't you being lazy. It's literally your body screaming at you to actually feel something. Studies show that people who regularly suppress emotions have higher cortisol, worse sleep, and feel way more tired than people who just process emotions as they come. You're not weak, you're just carrying around a ton of emotional debt. So what do you actually do about all this? First thing, close the stress loops. When you feel anxious about something, take immediate action, even if it's tiny. Send the email, have the conversation, make the call. Your brain doesn't care how big the action is. It just cares that the loop gets closed. Second, cut out the fake decisions. Create default rules for your day so you're not constantly choosing. Same breakfast every day. Same workout time. Same morning routine. Save your decision-making energy for stuff that actually matters. And third, this is important. Actually schedule time to feel your emotions. Not think about them, not analyze them, just feel them. Set a timer for 10 minutes, sit down, and whatever emotion shows up, anger, sadness, anxiety, just let it be there. Don't try to fix it or push it away, just notice it. I know that sounds super simple, but this is nervous system regulation. When you give yourself permission to actually feel things, you release that beach ball. And that's what restores your energy, way more than any amount of sleep ever could. Look, your fatigue isn't a character flaw. It's not you being weak or lazy. It's your body sending you a signal that the way you're living right now, constantly bracing for threats, avoiding decisions, and pushing down your feelings, it's not sustainable. You don't need more coffee. You just need to close the loops. If this video helped you understand what's going on, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. And drop a comment below telling me which pattern hit hardest for you. Was it the stress loops, the decision fatigue, or the emotional suppression? I read every single comment, and honestly, I want to know what resonated with you. All right, I'll see you in the next video.